What's up, YouTube? This is JC, your boy. I'm back. So we're back here in Siargao with my workmates.
Siargao, yeah.
Here in Siargao,
Yeah.
people are so respectful. Even animals are respectful. Yo, come. Oh shit! Come, bless, come. Oh, see that shit? That's Siargao, man.
You touch me and it's almost like we knew that there will be history between us two. We knew someday that we would have regrets, but we just ignored them the night we met. We just danced backwards into each other, trying to keep our feelings secretly covered. You touch me and it's almost like we knew that there will be history, but there's no way that it's not going there. With the way that we're looking at each other, there's no way that it's not going there. Every second with you I want another, but maybe we could hold on for 1 sec, so we could keep this tension in check. There's no way that it's not going there. With the way that we're looking at each other. So we could forget everything and everyone. I wish that the time would line up, so we could just give in to what we want. Cause when I got somebody, you don't. And when you got somebody, I don't. I wish that the time would line up, so we could just give in. But there's no way that it's not going there. With the way that we're looking at each other, there's no way that it's not going there. Every second with you I want another, but maybe we could hold on for 1 sec, so we could keep this tension in check. There's no way that it's not going there. With the way that we're looking at each other. Secretly covered. We just dance backwards into each other, trying to keep our feelings secretly covered. You touch me and it's almost like we knew that there would be history.